Alright, this is a tutorial on how to get an enemy spawner working using the one that's already in your moddable platformer project. I know you can see it already, but if you were into your file systems and you type spawner, you might see we have something called enemy underscore spawner underscore broken. Well, I don't like that it's called broken. Let's see why it's called broken. Oh no! There's too many enemies. Clearly, this is not a working enemy spawner. We can go into the enemy spawners scene by double clicking on it here, or going to the one that we have in our main scene that we've dragged in and clicking on the clapboard. And let's check out what's going on here. There's nothing but a 2D marker, so let's see what script is attached to it. We can see that we have a export range, a spawn interval range. So we can see that in our inspector, there is a 5-second spawn interval, which I will assume spawns an enemy every 5 seconds. So let's see why that's not working. We go into our ready function, we see our timer is starting, and then our spawn interval is being divided by 1,000. That's going to make a very small number. So let's just delete that, and maybe let's lower our spawn interval to every 1 second, just so we can see our changes a little faster. I hit play. Oh, look at that, it's just one enemy popping out of the sky. Hello, nice to meet you. So that's pretty cool. We can also see that the way we change what it is spawning, I could change this to be a coin instead. Let's see, we'll get a coin every 1 second. That's going to be pretty nifty. Oh, look, there's one. Beautiful. We'll talk about my teleporter in the next video. So we can change that in our inspector, courtesy of this export variable scene to spawn packed scene awesome line of code. That means that we are exporting. This is the name of the variable that we are exporting. This is the type of variable that we are exporting into our inspector of the object that our script is attached to, allowing us to change that variable. We'll talk about that more in my next video, but pretty much that's how you get your spawner working. Um, Check out how to teleport using this cool teleporter, and we're going to talk about using an exported scene instead of hard coding our variables, as well as how to change scenes using this teleporter.